McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Hello, Busia Boy, I'm Mama Kwaba about McBrown's kitchen behind the scenes. And hello, Busia Boy, I'm Mama Kwaba about McBrown's kitchen behind the scenes. Me and me do me ding at the Miss Flavour and just say. Ghana wa behind me my personal favorites because only me with the same name and you know me feeling the keke and then you share journey obet me na me hu so obi a oni meduane no but you be sanana ya hwe say oni meduane no a tin me friend no na ma surprise mu na mo hu ni pa kro and dey easy crowd how me ya too much tin na ma sesa matai won say and me share t-shirt ma share apron because and then na be no aduane no tin no dey your friend aba.
McBrown's kitchen.
Somewhere who nipana make no. Kuami Eugene. Miss Umidin knows so your friend Ama and your friend Eugenia. It's Kuami Eugene Ama Eugene. And then Miss Ama Eugene. And then my twin brother and I open no diano. Kuami Eugene to say.
You are my thing.
Yeah, me I do. Nah, Rockstar Johnny open one. What it is shine is hard.
You're rockstar, you bend.
It's the who cookie crack now a rockstar.
Baby, yeah. Into rock and told him none faster than Ben Radio.
Now, person is one about one.
And between him, between the fupa, I don't know. Me in and out, and I never feel brain deep. Vagina.
Okay. We because in a Kuami Eugene do ni mediane no. Kuami Eugene and you calling him to patchoni mediane no. Unwediane and never now been mediane.
Oh, Debbie, me no diane Debbie out feedy. I mean, sometimes I buy outside, but most of the times me no diane.
It's an idea joining up in my.
I think maybe rice and chicken and egg stew and tea. The one shame you do have no baby.
Oh, yeah, sure, send your man and churn now, they better die or has it.
But almost by now, come very quick because I mean, you catch yourself, oh, we are changing who we are fine toast, a good tomatoes, goon, natural cacao, you are able to travel. You back up being like a campus swap. But I have free fee, I will do a car, number fee. And yeah, minimum 19.
Okay, see, and then no, make what's Nancy. Who be starting? I'm a show. Say the obesity fan no doing enough. To we payment, I come on first because me, I'm your number one fan. Into no, and then the me and I be inspecting. I be tasty. May disappoint you because the way I'm a Joe who no disappoint me. Your papa. Okay, into me that was to say only me didn't come on to you. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it and I'll yes, me catch you. Into me, Rihanna, my sign work I said bio. No, my can't shake. Once say twin sisters and brothers until we vibe. And yeah, why now I'll let you know. Thank you so much. Okay, it's near Cotna say now I'm over shooty. Now I share say ne Kuami Eugene ni mediane no ampa and I say and you mukwa no nimuto. All right, that my system will system will share.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
I can go there. No, I can't. You are not your car anymore.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Okay, we're going.
Okay, oh, Charlie.
Quite. Famous steady again.
Yeah. Isaac, steady. All
right, we go.
Yeah. Intro, action.
Hello, Ghana official Paul. Nana Ama McBrown here. Member official Pa. Member Kwaba. McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano.
McBrown's kitchen. Let's go. Kuami
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen.
Rockstar, and they call me Eugene. Why you? Hey, Charlie, a Janine Dan Cassaway, dear. Thumbs ups for you. Not me doubt to beginning. No, buy no. I'm checking second friends. I'm saying, whoa, where Janine about what's shocking. Shock prize me, papa. That's good. Now, buy yeah, crew, yeah, gifts in your money. How do you find us all together?
You guys are amazing.
Nana see and catch you, and I'm a refi.
Nana say, I mean, she was able to put all these together, and I came to have fun. I came to prove to you guys that I can cook, and now you know I can cook, and I had the fun that I needed. Nana is an amazing person, and crew members need my Shama.
Na gifts na edema ono so we ni je ho.
Oh yeah, many jump high sense in your money, tasty tom yeah. Many jump. And
Bronya o fans be omo show e wo behind the scenes. Den na person catch omo.
I can say thank you so much. I feel shout out to all my fans and God bless them. They should enjoy the rest of the days and see you in 2020 Rockstar Africa number 8.
And no Kuami Eugene and then Obeno Diane no man abusia for the most share behind the scenes of McBrown's kitchen. Me am di Jume a friend Miss Flavour na di okita camera ni so twamo no ni ayi nti no mo kuswa na mo share
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.